Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable Gallery Lab in Samsung A36 or A56. If you're using A36 or A56 and you want to enable Gallery Labs, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your Gallery app, then go for menu or three horizontal lines left bottom corner, tap on it, then select settings. From here, just go for about gallery. And here your gallery version, you must have to tap on it a few times to enable gallery lab. Just keep tapping on it when your gallery lab has been enabled, just like this. Now go back and you'll get the gallery labs here. And here you can easily use gallery labs features. So that's how you can easily enable gallery lab in your Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. In the next video, bye bye.